Hi, this is Tracy from Get Educated. We're going to be replacing the video card for the Konami KP 3.5 CPU. This is a CPU that works with the Konami Crescent and the Concerto models. Let's get into it. Before we begin, it is important to follow the E.S.D safety procedures. If you don't know what that is, or just need a refresher, there's a link in the description below. Place your CPU on the E.S.D mat. Your new video card comes with two plastic 0.8mm spacers. It is important to note that this video card will not sit properly unless the spacers are applied. Place the spacers above the two screw holes that secure the video card into the CPU. Carefully insert your new video card in the slot until it snaps into place. Using your number 2 Phillips, press down on the video card and secure it with the 2 screws into the holes that now have spacers. Plug the video card into the circuit board. And that's it! To purchase either the video card, vCard 138, or the full CPU with video card, CPU 151 for the Konami, Concerto, or Crescent, follow the links in the description below. Please remember to like and subscribe. Until next time.